What I've been in and out of the hospital every week for labs. Tapos one time, di ka na ako mag-preterm labor. So yeah, I've been in and out of the hospital. Hi mga kapeti! So today, I decided to vlog. You know naman that I have high-risk pregnancy. Actually, I can lose hope anytime soon. And I lessened work. I'm really trying to lessen everything and not really stress myself, but it's hard. But I'm really so grateful for my family kasi they're really showing up for me. And yeah, I'm really just trying to look at this positively pa rin. I'm trying to stay positive, even though it's hard, kasi I don't have a choice eh. At this point, parang, I need a miracle. I wanna vlog today because vlogging has been my coping mechanism. Hindi naman nakaka-stress mag-vlog, and I know na meron din nakaka-experience itong na-experience ko. I realized if you're going through this, parang it's so important to know that you're not alone. Actually, sobrang tutok sa akin ng family ko. So lucky talaga sa part na yun. Dala na rin ng pagiging Capricorn ko because, I don't know, parang I always need to do something eh. That's my coping mechanism eh. Parang I always need to be productive, pero I toned it down a bit. I'll vlog na lang my day kasi I'm gonna meet with my perinat or basta specialized OB siya. And I hope talaga everything will be okay. I know it's toxic positivity, but wala eh. Kailangan ko maging happy and kailangan kong umiwas sa stress eh. Kailangan ko siya iset aside. Kaya yun. Almost 700k to 1 million ang nawala sa akin kasi dami kong kinancel eh. But it's fine kasi naman mawala si Hope. I still wanna ayos because I don't wanna look like what I'm going through. Pag nakita ko ng tao, gusto ko pa rin gonna say na, ay, ang ganda niya, pero hindi nila alam may pinagdadaan talaga ako. I've been trying to learn how to put lashes on. This isn't sponsored ha. I'm gonna try this on. I've been trying to find joy in the little things na lang talaga. When you have a partner kasi, nandiyan siya to assure you ganun. Pero with me, I need to protect Hope. I need to protect my baby from myself, from my negative thoughts. Mommy Oni was the one who actually told me that na parang, you know what you're going through is so hard. But you have no choice but protect your baby from yourself and avoid the negative thinking. Tiniti lang ako, pa-post-post lang ako, paano-ano lang ako kay Senyora. But I'm kind of going through a lot mentally. Ang dami kong sinisay, no? I hope you guys like understand what I'm saying, what I'm yapping about. Yay! That's cute. I'm so proud of myself. I'm learning. Okay, not the most perfect, but I think it's fine. This is it. Gonna go for a quick Starbucks run. See, I'm still so grateful because I still get to satisfy my cravings. They don't have the red velvet whoopie pie! Why? Why, oh why? This is my pang third na Starbucks already. And if wala pang red velvet whoopie pie, edi okay lang, hindi naman katapusan ng world yun. Ate, mayroong red velvet whoopie pie?
Yes po.
Yes! Ilan po yung meron?
Ilan po ba yung titira?
Ilan po yung meron, ate?
Check kilatis na yan.
Ay, hello po. Ate Grace, what's yours? Ayan na nga. Kumain ka na? Matagal po tayo.